The roar of a lion is one of the most powerful and distinctive sounds in the animal kingdom, and it serves a variety of important purposes in communication and behavior. Lions roar to mark their territory and warn rivals or solitary males to stay away. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers away, making it an effective way to assert dominance without physical confrontation. Males often roar together to reinforce their dominance over a territory. Roaring helps maintain cohesion within a pride. Lions often roar in unison to strengthen social bonds and coordinate actions. Female lions may roar to call scattered pride members, especially after a hunt. The deep, powerful roar of a male lion communicates his strength and physical prowess to potential mates and can also intimidate rivals. During mating season, roaring helps attract females or deter competing males. Intimidation and defensive roaring can scare off hyenas, leopards, or other animals threatening the pride's cubs or food. During hunting, roars can also be used to confuse or scare prey, although lions usually rely on stealth too.